Hi, I'm Vishal Gupta and I'm the CEO of Seclore. And I'm super excited today to announce an important update that changes the data security landscape. Today, we are announcing the extension of our data centric security platform for neutral CAD formats. Now, manufacturing companies, engineering companies of all kinds can freely collaborate across the supply chain without worrying about security or confidentiality of their intellectual property. What is possible with this release is that enterprises can track and control who can access this intellectual property in neutral CAD formats, what can each of these people do, how long can they continue to do this, and from where. And the most important thing is that these controls are applied uniformly, irrespective of whether these files are shared within the enterprise or in the extended supply chain. This can have significant supply chain implications, right? So enterprises which are coming under a lot of compliance frameworks like export control regulations, ITAR and EAR kind of regulations, can now freely share information with external agencies without worrying about the external agency breaching ITAR and EAR norms or any kind of export control regulation. What this also does is that it significantly reduces and in some cases completely removes the overheads attached to third party audits, right? So if you have armies of external or internal third party auditors going into vendor locations all over the world and auditing systems and processes, those overheads can be completely removed with the introduction of data centric security, which follows the data wherever it goes. Besides all of this, the tracking and monitoring of intellectual property in these formats can become a breeze. So in a very visually pleasing dashboard, enterprises and security teams can monitor what is happening to their intellectual property. The digital world is increasingly becoming an unsafe place for all of us. With the introduction of this data-centric security platform for neutral CAD formats, what Seclore has enabled is that when data breaches happen in the extended supply chain, they can be harmless for the enterprise. What's truly unique is that Seclore does not rely on any third-party tools to deliver this security. We've provided built-in features like dynamic watermarking, seamless integration with popular CAD applications, and so on, which makes the adoption of this security something which can be done without any disruptions. So if you're in the business where intellectual property matters, this is game changing. With Seclore, you have the data centric security and compliance control you always wanted to keep your data secure in the supply chain. I also want to thank the Seclore team, which is spread across the world, which has worked tirelessly to bring this dream to fruition. Kudos to you guys, and let us continue on our mission to secure the world's information. Thank you.